Section 1. Right foot side together, side touch. In place touch, corner turn to right, side touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. Left foot forward, hip roll. Left foot forward, hip roll. Cross, side, behind, point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Right foot cross, back, side, point. Corner turn to left, forward, half turn to left, back. Corner turn to left, side, point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4. Right foot, forward, half turn to left, forward, corner turn to left. Together, in place together, side track, recover together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8.